Amazon laundry room favorite. First is this narrow 3-tier organizing rack, which is perfect for holding cleaning supplies and detergents and is small enough to fit in lots of tight spaces.
If you don't like your hand touching the toilet seat to lift the lid, grab these rental-friendly lid lifters. It allows you to lift the seat on the outside instead, and maximize cabinet space in your laundry room or pantry with this gadget. It holds onto laundry room items like dryer sheets or rolls of plastic wrap or aluminum foil in your pantry, keeping your home a little more organized.
Amazon favorites. These foldable storage bins are great having in your car for groceries. They also come with lids so they can be used as storage or side tables for your home. Lastly, they're perfect as picnic tables or for camping. Amazon living room favorites. First is this tray that clips onto the armrest of the sofa. It's very sturdy and impressively spacious. Second is this decorative box that allows you to hide anything that's laying around, and it comes in a bunch of different sizes. Amazon bedroom favorites. This underbed shoe organizer comes in a pack of 2 and can fit up to 16 pairs of shoes and 4 pairs of boots. It also comes in black and can be tucked in horizontally or vertically under the bed. Kitchen organization finds. These under the cabinet baskets that add a good amount of additional storage. They can also be flipped upside down to create cabinet shelves. Secondly are these awesome tea organizers, which can be stacked horizontally or vertically. Amazon home favorites. This is a door stopper that you can attach to the bottom of your door, and then it's readily available for whenever you need to use it. Secondly, this is the perfect step stool to use around the house as it's very light and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors. Amazon kitchen favorites. This rotating dispenser has 6 compartments and each you can fill up with about 2 pounds of small grain. It doesn't take up a lot of space and you can easily rotate it to the grain that you need. I also like that you can dispense grains from the side. Amazon favorites on slick deals. I found this multi-purpose mat that works great as a jar opener, a trivet, and a microwave pad on the Slick Deals app in the under $10 deal section. I also finally purchased my first Alexa for a whole $10 thanks to Slick Deals, and I already see more deals on there that I want to take advantage of. Amazon laundry room favorites. If you always have socks that go missing in the laundry, you need these sock snaps. All you do is install the corresponding snap to each sock, and then every time you do the laundry, you just snap them together. The socks fold together very nicely, and when you put them on, you don't feel the snaps at all. Amazon bathroom finds. First is this squeegee that works really well on removing condensation in the shower, mirrors, and windows. Second is this cute automatic trash can that's designed to fit narrow spaces. Amazon kitchen favorites. First are these foldable trivets. They come in a pack of 3 and they really help save kitchen space. Second is this over-the-cabinet bin that makes it so much easier to throw away food scraps while cooking. Amazon travel favorites. First are these cute brush covers to protect the brushes during travel. Second is this organizer that unfolds into hanging shelves with everything you need ready to go. And when not in use, it folds down to 1/10 of its size. This acrylic organizer is buildable and can be used to display belts and bow ties. It also helps with keeping your belt's original shape. And if your top closet shelf tends to get messy, you might need these acrylic shelf dividers. I use mine for clothes, but they can be used for handbags, towels, or even books. Amazon travel finds. This is a travel brush set that contains a big retractable foundation brush and 3 eyeshadow brushes. It also comes in a pack of 2. Second is this small bottle that allows you to pump out any of your favorite perfume into a travel size that's perfect for your carry-on. Amazon kitchen favorites. This work of art is a knife block for the kitchen drawer. It can hold up to 16 knives no matter what their shape or size is, and it leaves plenty of room for other things in that drawer. Amazon favorites, part 46. These portable phone chargers have been my favorite for a while now. They also now have a slightly bigger version that can charge 2 phones at once. Both types are also a good size for having on the go. Amazon favorites. This is a doorbell with a receiver that can be used just as a regular doorbell, or you can assign them to different rooms, and instead of screaming at your partner and kids to come down, you can just ring them up. Amazon baking favorites. This adjustable tool can measure all the way from half a teaspoon to a tablespoon. Second is this all-in-one measuring cup that also measures in pints, ounces, and milliliters. And these baking Amazon favorites. If your kitchen has limited room for pots and pans, this non-stick granite pot and pan set might come in really handy. It comes with a handle that easily clips onto each cookware dish. This set is also oven safe and the handle can be used in place of an oven mitt. Amazon beauty favorites. This pin holder easily catches all of your pins no matter where you last left them. And this simple device makes it really easy to clean your brushes from accumulated hair and dust. It took me 20 seconds and a quick wash to clean this dirty brush. Amazon kitchen favorites. This is the sparkle machine that makes delicious fizzy drinks without the need of a CO2 tank. All you need for it is water and these carbonator packets that come in a pack of 10 with this machine. What I love about it too is that it comes with a ton of recipe ideas on how to use fresh fruit, teas, herbs, and juices instead of syrups. It also has 5 carbonation levels. Amazon fitness favorites. This gym bag not only has a spacious dry pocket and a wet pocket for your workout clothes, but it also has a shoe compartment and these straps to hold a yoga mat. You can also slide it onto a suitcase, making it the perfect weekender bag as well. Amazon kitchen favorites. These universal lids fit practically any sized pot and pan, and I love this lid and spoon holder also because it can hold the lid of any size. Amazon bedroom favorites. If you find it a hassle to plug in your devices underneath or behind your side table, this monster power shield magnetically attaches to your wall, making it extremely easy to plug things in and out as needed. It also comes in black and a smaller version with one more USB and one USB-C port. Amazon favorites. This is the QB. It fully backs up your phone onto a mini SD card every time you charge your phone. I love how I don't have to pay for a subscription and have quick and easy access to all of my backed up videos and photos. They have a USB-A and a USB-C version, and they're really easy to contact from within the app. Amazon home favorites. This is a motion sensor lamp which can easily be attached to any magnetic surface. It also comes with this magnetic strip which allows you to attach it in other places as well. You can tap it to keep it on, otherwise it turns off automatically after some time. It's also easily rechargeable and the charge can last up to 2 months. Amazon Toolbox favorites. This multifunctional hammer has 4 screwdrivers stored inside the handle. This self-lock measuring tape is precise and retracts very easily, and these pliers conveniently have glow-in-the-dark handles. Online travel favorites. This is the world's thinnest suitcase. It opens up from just 2 inches in width to 21-inch carry-on. The middle part is made up of waterproof material, and it's great if you don't have much space for a suitcase. Amazon home favorites. This electric composter reduces organic waste by 80%. It has 3 different cycles. One is grow mode, which turns your food waste into fertilizer for your plants or garden. The second for bioplastics and biodegradable material. And the third one is for a quick compost so that your food waste doesn't produce methane gas in a landfill. Amazon office favorites. If you don't have enough room for your stationery, you might need this under desk drawer. It has a 2-tier design with a removable shelf, and it stays nicely hidden under the desk. And this awesome cable wrangler magnetically holds all of my cables when they're not in use. Otherwise, the cables tend to slide off my desk. Amazon home favorites. This is an electric screwdriver that comes with 3 different speeds and 12 different attachments. It's a lot faster and smoother than a manual screwdriver.
Must-have Amazon kitchen gadget. These silicone heat-resistant mats come in a pack of 2 and can be used up to 7 different ways, such as a jar opener, splatter guard, utensil rest, pot holder, and trivet, and can be easily cleaned simply by placing it in the dishwasher.
Amazon travel favorites. This looks like a regular handbag, but it's actually a toiletry bag that's surprisingly really spacious. It comes with a removable bottom pouch, a few containers, and a chain if you want to wear it as a handbag. Second is this toothbrush case that sanitizes your brush using UV light.
Amazon bathroom favorites. This is an anti-slip loofah bath mat that massages your feet, works both in and out of the shower, has a non-slip bottom built in, and is water permeable so water drains through it and it's easy to take care of. And these stackable corner shelves maximize your bathroom counter space and also work great in kitchens too. Amazon shower favorites. This fog-resistant mirror and toiletries holder sticks to any smooth surface and is also perfect to take with you on the go. This gadget suctions to tile or glass and holds your favorite coffee, tea, or drink of choice. And this gadget holds your favorite beauty products upside down so you get out every last drop. Get a foot massage in your shower with this foot scrubber that includes 2 pumice stones and it contours to your feet. My feet have never been softer and it feels great. Simple Amazon home hacks. Utilize the space under your bed or dresser with these shoe and clothing organizers. They can fit up to 20 pairs of shoes and have clear zipper covers to easily find your item quickly. Double the amount of space you have for your shoes with these shoe organizers that utilize vertical space. They work on both closet shelves and shoe racks. And this 360-degree swivel hanger is perfect for organizing hats, belts, handbags, and scarves in your closet with taking up minimal space. Amazon home hacks. If this clutter looks familiar, grab these slim cabinet organizers that pull and rotate, maximize vertical space, and work in any cabinet in your home, including bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and laundry rooms. And utilize every square inch of kitchen cabinet space with these corner shelves that allow you to easily stack all of your dishes, pots, and pans. This waterproof mat protects your under kitchen sink area from leaks and spills. This stamp comes with an ink protector and perfect for covering info before throwing it away. These multi-purpose silicone mats act as a splatter guard and microwave mat, pan grabber, jar opener, utensil rest, trivet, and are easy to clean. And this cooling sheet set comes in 40 colors, wrinkle resistant, and gets softer as you wash them.
It's time to win my new favorite water bottle. This 40-ounce insulated Owala water bottle has a 2-in-1 lid. And I got 2 so I could give one away to you. Visit the caption for details. Be sure to like and follow for more.